Good morning, Rory. How's it going? Are you hanging out with your baby brother?
Yeah.
Are you showing him cool stuff? Like songs and things? Yeah. Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. No. He loves you. Yeah. I love you too, Rory. Oh, what are you giving him? Oh, a ladybug. Keep it away from his face. On his belly. Good spot. What do you think about it, Steele? What do you think? Do you like the ladybug? Did Grandma paint that one, Rory? Yeah. Look at this, ice coming down. We got some serious hail. Whoa. I gotta shut the door. There's some serious hail there. Look at that one. That's a big boy.
Biggest I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's some real big hail.
Well, that's a small one.
I know it's melted here.
One hit the screen and broke everything.
What? It broke the screen? Nice. What do you think of the hail, Mr. Steele?
He's sleeping.
Oh, he's
His
sleeping
eyes
with his
open.
iPod? That's a cute thing that he does. I guess I might... Well, it should stop at some point, right? I was gonna go fix the roof today.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna hail the rest of the day.
I wonder what the longest hailstorm ever is. Whoa! Bouncing off of Rory's house. That's cool.
Already over.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. There's
We need ice?
there's some serious hail coming down. Look at all the ice in the grass. That's pretty cool. It's very chilly rain, obviously. But it's crazy that it stays up in the air. Like ice particles that big. Hail is one of the coolest weathers, conceptually. At least it didn't. That's cool. Didn't break anything. So. Oh hey, we still exist. It's much later, after dinner now, and it's coffee shop time. You ready for a coffee shop, Rory? Yeah, she says. You're gonna eat food at the coffee shop? Are you? Mommy likes the protein pucks, so I wouldn't be surprised if you got some. Is that delicious? Yum, yum. She's all grown up. She doesn't want to be seen with us at our table. Kayla's your nurse, and she's like, I can't be with the baby. Had to go get your own table? Well, if she does it again. She's been using her underwear to dry the chairs off.
Not the one she's wearing.
Right, no.
An extra pair.
Sitting on that one? Two butter. Okay. That's actually just that. We're gonna head home because it's already after 7. So, yeah. Boom. Good night, little buddy. Get your drink and then it's bedtime. See you tomorrow. It's gonna be it for us for tonight. We will catch you tomorrow. And we doing anything? Nothing exciting tomorrow, I don't think. So, cool. Good night.